Okay, the truck is a 2000 Pierce, and it came from Santee, California. We were able to get it. We found it at a brokerage online. We were able to get it through town meeting, or actually through the town. They approved the money through a line item transfer into our account to get it. There's nothing wrong with the truck. It's absolutely beautiful. It's yellow because Santee, California runs yellow trucks. They're actually switching to red and white now, but most of their trucks are yellow. And our old rescue truck was a 1990 GMC. It was too small. It was a standard transmission. It was hydraulic brakes. This is an automatic. It's much larger. We got all of our equipment on it versus carrying it in a trailer or on shelves. So the guys are out training with it right now. We paid $69,000 for it. If we went out to buy that brand new today, it would be about $700,000. So it's quite a deal for the town. I'm not going to change the color. We all kind of like the color of the truck. It's unique, it's unusual, and when we show up, everybody's going to know who it is.
There's lots of extra room in this. This is all the cribbing if we have to stabilize the vehicle or anything like that. So we're going to be putting more cribbing in there. You can never have too much. This is the other side. So again, this is all the longer tools. The nice thing about the cabinet, they actually fold down. So now with this fully down, you can actually grab one of the saws with both hands rather than trying to struggle to get it out of, say, this cabinet with one hand. And down here we have all our hand tools. This is the other side of the medical, and this is all our equipment. Well, not all of it, but this is some of the cold water and open water rescue suit.